Hi there, let's talk about exercise 1.23. And the 1.23 is an exercise that's very good for you personally because here we ask you to create a budget. And that budget, of course, varies person by person. That should include your earnings and your expenditures. So I can give you an example. So let's look at this one. This is a budgeting that I create for myself. Of course, probably not. Probably it's just fictional. I guess you will never find out. But here is an idea. If you have an Excel sheet, let's enlarge this to make it more clear. If you have an Excel sheet, you can easily calculate your expenses and create categories to see where exactly or which days exactly you spent a certain amount of money. Then you might reflect on yourself and see, okay, I spent too much on partying, too less on grocery, should have less subscriptions. My rent takes too much of my income. Probably I need to move to somewhere cheaper. So these important life decisions that you can make through those small records of Excel sheet. So in the end, you can see whether your income and your expenditure would balance and then make certain decisions. In this case, I only have expenditures recorded, not income. But in your case, make use of all those techniques, all those formulas you have learned, and try to contribute it to your own personal life and organize things better. That's the idea of 1.23. If you would like to have any feedback to optimize your personal budgets, then please feel free to send me your budget layout. I might can give you some feedback. But this one, you're on your own, and good luck with budget keeping. I'll see you in the next video.